Welcome to my channel. Here I'm going to show you a couple of items I purchased from Wish. If you're looking for a storage box, this is probably for you. What this is a container holding 7 bars with 28 slots with snap lids. This container is pretty similar to a medication container. You can organize your medication in it, or you can use it for other uses, like jewelry or crafts. I bought it for jewelry. As you can see, this order was just the white containers. You can order in a few different colors. There's white, pink, yellow, purple, or orange, and also blue. Here's an example of the one I purchased beforehand. This one came like this, all the colors in one container. And in here, I keep all of my earrings. So you can order them in multicolored or just in a one color. You can also keep your necklaces, bracelets, or anything that you want to keep organized in these containers. So in the second package I ordered from Wish is the same item, just a different color. This one is the pure pink one. I love the fact that it's clear so you can see right into the containers. The clips are pretty strong, so nothing will fall out. And I also like how fast you can open it with just one thumb. So if you'd like to order one of these items, check out the Wish app on your cell phone or online on your computer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching. Check out my playlists for more videos. If you love bath bombs, check out my other channel called Love a Bubble.